Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. The silent fight between Mercy Johnson and Regina Daniels, they don't even follow each other on social media anymore. Every movie lover knows the sweet mother-daughter relationship that exists, or should I say existed, between popular movie star Mercy Johnson and popular teenage actress turned billionaire wife Regina Daniels. In fact, both of them express a deep love for each other on their social media handles. Regina Daniel, who calls Mercy Johnson her mother, had once posted about being excited meeting Mercy after a very long time. "It was so lovely working with my mama again," at Mercy Johnson. "Love you mommy," Regina Daniel posted after reuniting with the heavily pregnant mother of three at a movie location sometime in April last year. Mercy Johnson has also called Regina her big daughter sometime in 2017 when she was trying to drive home her point that the actress was only 16. "I remember the first time I carried this big baby of mine. Mom is what she calls me, and yes, she's my child. Happy 16th birthday, princess. You're so sweet, respectful, hardworking. Auntie Rita, you did a great job here. Party loading," she wrote. Mercy also revealed that Regina Daniels grew in her hands in the comment section after a follower tried arguing with her. The follower said she can't be 16. Then Mercy Johnson replied saying, "Trust me, she grew in my hands. She is." Well, things are falling apart between both actresses, who are currently heavily pregnant, and the center can no longer hold. According to our sources, the brouhaha started after news of Regina Daniels marrying Ned Nwoko broke. Mercy allegedly tried to advise her to hold on a bit and build her career more before moving on to start a family, as she was still a teenager. The advice reportedly didn't go down well with the Delta-born actress, who became angry at Mercy and decided to withdraw a little bit as she said she loved him and couldn't wait. Mercy was only trying to advise her not to marry Ned yet, as she was still young and needs to learn more about life. But Regina went ahead and said she loved him, the source said. Since then, the relationship between both actresses has gone sour, and a further research into their social handle revealed that Mercy Johnson has unfollowed Regina Daniels on Instagram, while Regina still follows her as at the time of writing this report. Both actresses have stopped commenting on each other's pages, and they have stopped posting about each other like they used to. All efforts to contact both actresses as at the time of writing this report to get a reaction, confirmation or denial from them proved abortive. Alright guys, stay subscribed to my channel for more updates from the entertainment front.